Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on YouTube comments on your YouTube videos. So the first step is you want to open up YouTube and go to the top right where you see your avatar. Next, you're going to want to go down to where it says YouTube Studio. Next, you're going to want to go to the left side where it says Content, and you just want to select any video that you want to turn on comments for. So let's say we want to turn on comments for this video. I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says Details right here. Then you need to scroll down until you see the comments and rating section. And under this section, you want to go to comment visibility. And here you can either allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments, or hold all comments for review. If you just want to allow all comments, you can click on allow all comments. And you can also sort the comments either by top or newest. But if you just want to turn on all comments, you can go down to this drop down and just click on allow all comments. And then you just want to make sure you go up to the top right and click on save. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.